tone. Hey there, students! Are you struggling to find the right guidance, the best books, and the perfect mentorship for your PG Economics entrance exams? I know how it feels, the endless search, the frustration, and the feeling of being lost. But then, like a superhero swooping in to save the day, NviNomics coaching arrived. Imagine this: affordable fees, effective solutions, and everything you need to ace your exams, all in one place. NviNomics coaching became the ultimate weapon for students just like you. With their expert guidance, comprehensive study materials, and personalized mentorship, students began to transform their dreams into reality. Picture this: students who were once struggling now scoring top marks and securing their dream jobs. It's not a fantasy, it's what's happening with NviNomics coaching. One student said, "NviNomics coaching changed my life. I went from being overwhelmed to confident and prepared." And this isn't just one story, it's the story of many. So if you're ready to turn your struggles into success, look no further. Let NviNomics coaching be your superhero. Your journey to top marks and a bright future starts here. Thank you for watching, and remember, your success is just one step away with NviNomics coaching. Don't give up, because the right help is here. Stay inspired, stay motivated, and keep pushing towards your dreams. See you next time.